David, a tricky game, a tricky evening given the week that we've had. How did you find it out there?
Yeah, I think the first half kind of summed up the week in terms of like the energy that we brought, and yeah, that was completely not us and not really acceptable, and we kind of knew that. We wanted to put on a show for the fans here because they deserved that after obviously a very poor result on Thursday. I thought we did that in the second half and showed what the qualities we have are. But yeah, it's obviously very difficult to break down when they got that many players basically camped on the edge of the box, which it worked for them. Obviously, they got results today, and yeah, it's kind of one of them. It's a little bit disappointing because I feel like when you give them types of teams a goal and they can sit in and they've got something to hang on for, it kind of kills the game a little bit. But yeah, like I say, it was obviously very disappointing on Thursday. We just wanted to bounce back with a performance that the fans could enjoy, and yeah, we tried our best to do that.
We are short on time, David, but how good did it feel to get back out onto that pitch tonight? Craig Bellamy said, the best thing you can do is just look forward and get on with the next game.
Yeah, I agree, but it's one of them. Like the Thursday game, kind of, it does take the wind out of you. That was the complete aim to get to a World Cup, and yeah, obviously the boys were absolutely devastated from Thursday to now. Really, yeah, we just tried to put it behind us, and like I say, for the fans that showed up today and are watching back at home, we just kind of tried to put a performance on that we could be proud of.
David, appreciate your time. Diolch.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.